Good morning mga kasunset. Good day to everyone. Ito po tayo ngayon, medyo naka-hood. I'm trying to use my hood dito sa sweatshirt ko. But don't worry, I'm just trying to protect myself kasi ubo ako ng ubo kanina. And I really have to, ito kasi on and off itong sunshine and cold and snow. Kaya I really have to protect myself from rhinitis allergy at baka pupunta naman ito sa asthma. Kaninang umaga, ubo na naman ako ng ubo kaya kahit na papano we have to really protect ourselves from kahit na sa mga rainy places. Nagkaka-influenza rin daw sila sa Philippines. Kaya please take good care. Talking about health, ito lang kahapon, I requested my son to help me to go to my cardiologist to the Red Cross hospital here in Nagano, Japan. I really need to have my monthly check-up for my cardio. Dahil sa isa rin, noong December, December 24, Christmas Eve, or mga before Christmas, I suffered severe heart palpitations and it was painful and it lasted for more or less 5 minutes. And I felt it quite difficult na huminga. Kaya I just tried to make myself comfortable. Ganito ako nakaupo dito sa computer chair. And I tried to have my deep breathing para kahit papano I can help myself sa heartbeats and blood circulation. So I had those kind of mga basic exercises to help myself. Pero kahapon talaga, although my son is a bit busy, yun lang kasi ang rest day niya, but I have to ask help from him kasi siya rin lang ang pwedeng mag-drive and yun din lang ang rest day niya. Kaya Tuesdays ang talagang insured ako na somebody could help me. I'm not allowed to drive and also I don't have a license dito. And also my wife don't have a car. Doesn't have a car. So I really have to find ways kung paano ako punta sa check-up ko. Awan ng Diyos, mga tanghali na kami dumating doon but I really have to go with the routine na kuha ka ng number with your card, medical card, and then pila ka until your name will be called or number will be called. So I went to the laboratory and when I was called tinawag yung pangalan ko, I was given the ECG, electrocardiography, ECG, na susuriin yung puso mo kung ano talaga ang kalagayan ng heartbeat, sa mga tinatawag nilang arrhythmia, atrial fibrillation, lahat na pwedeng mga makita nila sa puso mo. Puso mo. Hindi yung pusong nagmamahal, kundi yung physical na puso mo. tagos sa puso kung ano talaga yung mga gusto mong malaman. And I have to wait again that my number will be called and wait for the doctor to have the analysis na consult na talaga and with analysis based from the laboratory test, ECG test. The good thing dito sa hospital dito sa Japan is magpa-laboratory test ka ngayon and after an hour or even before an hour, tawagin ka na ng doktor for the analysis. And magpa-consult ka, i-explain na niya na yung nakita niyang result doon sa ECG ko. Or kung ano ba to, the echo ba yung kinuha sa iyo, EKG, and depende, no? Pero kahapon, nakita ng doktor na quite normal naman yung result na nakita niya, pero medyo mababa daw yung atrial fibrillation ko. But it's not a risk nga rin daw. Kaya kahit pa paano, I could have a fine result, no? Confident na I can still go on with my daily routine. No? Pero ang sabi niya, I really have to be careful na wag magkaroon ng marami o sunod-sunod na palpitations, no? Heart palpitations, or else I will undergo another heart surgery. So, yun ang iniingat-ingatan natin. Kaya, even though andito ako sa bahay, nakatalukbong man ako or nakahood man ako, this is also a part of my protection kasi ito nga, medyo cloggy nose na naman ako. Actually, kanina medyo -3 degrees, pero here comes the sun na naman. Yung araw. Kaya I just tried to make sure na ibalik sa labas yung mga sinampay kong hindi natuyo kahapon. Kahapon ng hapon, when I arrived back from the hospital, I have to really take a shower, go back change my clothes, put it in the laundry, kasi nga galing ako sa hospital, and just to make sure na walang kumapit na kung anong bakterya doon, kasi kahit papano andyan pa rin yung COVID, yung coronavirus. Kaya yun ang ko pag pumupunta ako sa hospital. And after the laundry, naisampay ko man hapon na, kaya hindi agad natutuyo-tuyo, dito ko na lang sa loob ng kwarto or bahay. And then ngayon na there's a sunshine, kaya nilabas ko ulit, nagsampay-sampay ulit ako before I go with this a short video. No? And yun lang naman, gusto ko lang kayong i-update tungkol sa kalagayan ko. Pero another thing, kahapon ng gabi, bumisita ulit yung anak ko together with his wife, and we have a little talk, a little sharing with a cup of tea and cookies. And ayun, we have somehow more or less an hour na we have a little bonding, my son and his wife, kami ni Mrs. Although 4 lang kami, but in a short span of time, we have a good talk. And we also talk about how is, kasi galing silang South Korea noon, mga November, October ata sila noon. We were trying to ask kung paano sila nag-booking, saan sila kumuha ng e-ticket, magkano ba yung ganon. So, something that they can share. No? And then nag-share din ako tungkol sa about spiritual life, kung paano dadalhin ng mag-asawa yung buhay nila in terms of spiritual development. So it's about physical sharing and spiritual sharing na we tried to have in an hour. And then bago sila umalis, kumuha rin si Mrs. ng kahit anong mga maibigay-bigay niya, vegetables or whatsoever. May kunti siyang a kind of winter, I don't know if it was a winter blanket na gusto niyang ibigay. Pero ang sabi naman ng anak ko, no need na daw kasi meron na sila. Kaya it's something more like that. And yun nga rin pala, yung anak ko may dala ring roll cake, and we're thankful for that. Yun lang naman. And we were waiting also by tomorrow na mapaaga-aga rin daw yung dalaw ng anak naming babae na nasa 3 cities away from us. So every weekend kasi yung dalaw niya rito. She visits us every weekend. Pero itong Huwebes daw, bukas she can come back. Maybe wala silang trabaho by Friday and Saturday. Kaya she may have 3 days na vacation. So I'm happy na kahit na ganito tayo, most of the time nag-iisa, lumabas si Mrs. 9 o'clock and I know she'll be back on or before 12 noon. Kaya ito lang po, update ko lang sa inyo, but don't worry, my heart still loves you and I always love you. And we hope na each and every one of us have a healthy heart, healthy body, and loving heart. So magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Yun lamang po. Let's be kind to everybody. Bye-bye.